Planning is something else and bringing it on a ground is something else. So execution was a major part of Polaris GP, which went very smooth on event day.
By the way, the car went up to 60 kilometers per hour of speed.
It was the first event where I was organizing from 0 to 1.
We were in touch with the management and asking them for some hardware and robotic activities. So they came up with this idea of Polaris GP because it was one of our first events. So they have to keep it quite light. So we used open source models for the Tarmo car, and then we modified them according to the needs of the event.
I wanted to get a culture of robotics and drone in Polaris. So I talked with the management that I want to organize an event and launch a separate club which will be led by students. And later they said me that we are organizing a Polaris GP which will make students to get into this culture. So it was like an idea of Polaris and ideology of me.
It really drove me about learning more about motors and how to build one RC car of my dream in real life.
More than 50 to 70 times we have rebuilt it because as the parts were of plastic, so they kept on wearing off and we had to replace them after every run. By the way, the car went up to 60 kilometers per hour of speed and 40 kilometers per hour on our record.
It was the first event where I was organizing from 0 to 1. And on event day, I was very excited because it was a final day where we will get to know our result.
When we joined the Polaris GP, there were around 6 teams and we were very nervous because we actually joined late. I was having minimal experience and our teammates also does not have much experience. After making the things and learning the things, we actually made our first car and it was very good and we won the race.
I would really thank to the organizers, Yatin and my fellow friend Kushal Koti, and they were really amazing having such an idea and letting us to build something hands-on in our project within such a less time.
I would thank my teammates and mainly the organizers Kushal and Yatin and the Polaris management team.
This event helped me a lot to grow my personality. Actually, it made me a much more extrovert person. I could express myself more precisely and kept my points in a more assertive manner.
If I see back to the day one, I learned so many things from Polaris GP, like patience, working for a late night, working without a sleep for 3 to 4 days, or getting to know how to communicate with the vendors and organize whole event with the plans, and executing it on ground. Like it was pretty well for me. I learned so many things from Polaris GP.